Hi everyone, my name's Trace McMillan and I'm from Forge Legal, and today I want to talk about what's happening with you in your separation. So if you're having a separation at the moment, or maybe you're contemplating separating, but there's domestic violence in play and you're not sure what to do, there are many avenues open to you. Now obviously you would know about DV Connect and was it 1-800-RESPECT, for places where you can speak to someone about. But what I want to talk about is the actual court system and what you can do. There is something called a protection order. It depends on which state you're in as to whether it's called an AVO or whether it's called a DVO or whether it's called an apprehended violence order. There are many different terms for it, but basically it's a protection order. Now the thing about that, if you say, well, hey, I've got orders in place for my children, what do I do? Well, the answer is this. You go and get your DVO, because a DVO will actually help to protect you from that person. And if you don't have any orders in place, it will prevent them from being able to come into contact with you or your children possibly. But more so than that, in the family court, family violence is something that the court system have to take into account when determining what type of orders should be in place for the children. So in the local courts, usually depending upon the state, they can actually suspend part of the family court orders if there is domestic violence that has occurred after those orders have been made. So there are very many options that can actually help to protect you. There is also something called a contact centre. So if you have to have orders in place that provide contact, but you're wanting to do it in a safe environment, then a contact centre may very well be an option for you. And that is where the child is dropped off in a supervised centre with experts and professionals who oversee everything that's going on between the child and the parent. So that's obviously something that's relevant for you that you might be able to tap in as well. So those is just a couple of tips that you want to look at. If you are struggling and you really need some extra referrals, then give me a call. We have hundreds of referral services that we utilise at Forge Legal, and I'm happy to provide you with any of those. So otherwise, jump on our website. We have so much more information there to help actually inform yourself. But otherwise, remember, your safety comes first, so does your children's safety, and there are options open for you. Good luck.